Man, whew. I don't know. Half MURPH might be equally harder. Alright, last round. Again, this is just a half MURPH, but whether you're doing a half MURPH or a full, whenever you start your last round, start thinking about your running technique. Just get mentally prepared on your little breaks to kill it on that last half mile or full mile. You should have everything you got. Oh, 2 more of these. Least favorite part. A little cheating on the last one. That's okay. All right, 15 air squats and then we can run our next half mile. All right, gotta get the phone ready. Whew. After these 15, get the second half mile. You wanna hit it hard. I'm gonna record it, so it's gonna be terrible. But I'm gonna show you. Just give it everything you got. I think that's 15. Lost track. All right, let me get my timer going. All right, here we go. Second half mile. Half MURPH. All right, everything you got. Peanuts. Come on. Halfway. I'm stuck here. Come on. Come on. Push. Let's go. Big finish. Come on. Come on. Man. Whew. I don't know. Half MURPH might be equally harder than the full MURPH because you push the pace so much quicker. Ooh, I was dying on that last run. Whew. came out hot on the run. Thought I could maintain it, but it wasn't happening. Here's my sticks I was counting. Great way to keep accountability, especially if you're doing it by yourself. If you got chalk, you can write on the concrete or the padded floor if you're in a gym. But I just got some sticks and use whatever you got. There's my 9. That was my 10th one. So again, just doing a half MURPH today. Whew. Oh man. Best thing to do when you're done is just keep moving for a little bit. A good few minutes. Don't just go sit down or you're gonna get real tight real quick. Keep moving a little bit. Normally I'd take this vest off really quick as soon as I was done. But I'm up here at the park, as you can see. Nice little calisthenics park, about a mile from my house. So I use those pull-up bars. Super fortunate to have that close. You can do this anywhere. That's the only thing you actually need. And then the vest is optional. Obviously I'm using it, but you don't have to. Males 20 pounds, females 14. Whew. Again, my strategy is to use 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, 15 air squats. It's a strategy I used the last 2 years. I don't ever have to break up the push-ups or the air squats, but those freaking pull-ups, woo, my nemesis, especially doing them strict. I'm debating still if I want to do them kipping or not. Let me know what you think. I know a lot of people harp on it, but it is the way that CrossFit has programmed MURPH as a hero WOD, so it's up to you. Either way you want to do it. I've done it strict the last 2 years. Might do it strict again this year. I don't know. I hope this helped. If you have any questions or other tips for other people, please list them below. And yeah, I hope everybody gives this a try on Memorial Day weekend. Awesome reason to get out and do a workout. Remember why you're doing it. We don't forget the fallen, right? All right, move with a purpose. Five minutes. Get those quads real quick. Whew.
Three, two, one. Work. Three, two, one. Rest. 2, 1. Rest. 3, 2, 1. Work. 3, 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 2, 1.